G'day, this is my Amstrad PPC512 that we've been working on, and we've made a few upgrades, and you'll see straight away the first upgrade is we're using a modern display, and this gives us the ability to run in color, and this is a game that is written in text mode, and this is a CGA display adapter running in this machine, but it's using text mode, and it does quite a good job of emulating 16 colors. And this is written in Pascal. It's a great little project. Yeah, I'd recommend anyone who's got a system that's got a CGA card checking it out. It's really well written, and the source code is available online, so I highly recommend going and having a look at this project. The other quality of life upgrade is a GoTek drive that allows us to install disk images, and I've kept one of the original 720K floppy drives. You'll also notice that we're actually running from the C drive. To do that, we're using a expansion card, which gives us free 8-bit ISO slots, and the hard drive image, well, the emulated hard drive is a XT-IDE CF card, so it actually is a real hard drive. And the diagnostics card in the back, yeah, I'm not really using that for anything other than seeing the voltage rails on the expansion ISO card. To provide the HDMI connection, we're using an RGB to HDMI adapter, which works really well. And the other thing I'd like to possibly add in the future is a CGA card. We've also ordered a Pico mem to give that a whirl to see if we can expand the memory of this system and try out the sound emulation, but I'm also considering possibly putting a dedicated sound card in, but definitely an EGA card would be a nice upgrade. So we'll just switch it back to the original display. Okay, and here we go. On. And there we go. So the original display, the LCD, still does work, but it's very dim. No backlighting, and that was a choice they made to preserve battery life, because you could actually run this on D cells, even though I've never tried that. Okay, we've also installed a copy of Windows, and this is Windows 3.0, which was the last version that would run on a XT class 86 type processor. And on the LCD panel, it does work. And the mouse, it's a mouse that's plugged into a serial port, and this is a GM6 mouse, and it does work, but really you want to have this running on the external display. Just cancel out of here, and we'll switch over to the external display. There are hotkeys as well, but yeah, you can see it's so much easier to use on the external display. The version of Windows I'm using does have CGA support, but only in black and white. But it does work quite well, and once we get the EGA card, we'll have a lot more options. And the mouse works quite well. Just get out of this. It is a little bit slow. We only have 512K of RAM installed, but I'm hoping the Pico mem card will improve that. Okay, and there we go, back out. Okay, we'll just go and run check it. We have also installed a mass coprocessor, So we might run some spreadsheets or an early version of AutoCAD. And there we go. Get my bug out of the shot. And check it's running. Okay, so it's detected the mass coprocessor, it's detected the mouse. Let's just run the built-in benchmark. So this is an NEC version of the 86 processor, so it is a bit faster than the standard processor, but we've got a standard mass coprocessor installed, and we're also using the optimized version of the XT-IDE CF firmware that's been optimized for the NEC CPU, and you can see that it actually runs fairly nicely and good performance. Quite happy, and it's a little bit to do. I'm looking forward to trying out an EGA card and the Pico RAM, and also having something like an AdLib, or even trying out the Pico Mem sound capabilities. Maybe a Sound Blaster, it's an option, but they are getting a bit expensive, the 8-bit ISA cards. Well, I've enjoyed working on this. It's been a lot of fun, and it's been a really good project. Probably not that interesting to many people, but I've enjoyed it. And thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.